I'm seeing different versions of these bags, and I'm very intrigued to how come some of us are getting certain things and some others aren't. Hi guys, welcome back to Life of Randy. I'm Randy. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every week when I drop a new video. And also sometimes I may have some extra bonus videos. So if you have the notification bell on, you'll know once I drop new videos. If this is not your first time, welcome back. As you can tell from the thumbnail and the title, this video is going to be about my free Amazon baby registry bag. And I'm really excited about this one because this is my first baby that I'm pregnant with, and I never knew that there were so many options when it came to registries, when it came to gifts, like free gifts during your registries. So this is very exciting for me. So far I've gotten registry gift from Amazon, I've gotten one from Target, I'm still trying to figure out the Walmart one, and I also got one from NOOBIE. So all of these videos are coming your way. So again, make sure that you have that bell on so that you know once I drop them. And for today's video, I would like to go over this gorgeous little bag. And I've watched a couple videos from other mamas out there, and a lot of them were second-time moms or beyond that. A lot of them already had children and they had already done this this Amazon free gift bag. So they were comparing the old one to the new one. This is actually my first time ever receiving anything, so I'm really excited about it, and I kind of want to look at it with a set of fresh eyes, so to speak. I know a lot of mamas were saying that this bag this time around is a little bit lighter than what they would remember or what they remembered from their previous pregnancies. So I'm a little sad that I missed out on some extra goodies, but I'm still super excited to go over this bag with you all. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go through it, and then at the end I'll tell you exactly how you can sign up to get this bag for yourself when you do your Amazon registry. The first thing out of here, oh my god, this is so cute! Oh man, I think this is making me a lot more excited. Well, I am pretty excited about having a baby, but this makes it real. Like, I've had it for so long, like in me, and like not hiding it, but like keeping myself safe and sane. So I haven't really gotten time to really enjoy motherhood or like pregnancyhood. So this is definitely pushing me into it, and I love it. I love babies. I love buying baby stuff. So this is truly a gift for me. So this is a 3-piece set with a hat, glove, and sock, and it is in green and white. So I'm going to take this out for you guys. This is very exciting. Oh, I think it's sealed. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Okay. These are the little baby gloves, the little mittens. These are super cute. And then the socks. It doesn't smell like anything. And then the little baby hat. This is super cute. I like the fact that everything is gender neutral. I think that it makes it a lot easier to fit a more diverse group of mamas or babies. So I'm very excited about that. The next thing in here are some diapers, some Huggies diapers. And these are special delivery. I think that that's the like sub type of the diapers. Again, this is my first baby. I haven't really Googled a lot. From what I'm seeing from other YouTube videos, I believe that this is like a special type. Looks like I'm gonna have to be Googling a lot today after this. So this has 3 diapers inside of it, and I believe it is a size 1, which is for up to 14 pounds or 6 kilograms. babies. So I think this is pretty cool. I think that's like, what, a couple hours in baby life, which is great. I mean, if you're on the go or something, just popping these in your car or in your bag. The next thing, which I'm very excited about, I've been seeing this on other hauls, so I'm super happy that I got one as well. This is a onesie. So here it is. This is so cute. This is pretty big. It looked so small on other people's videos. This is a 3 to 6 months. And it has the animal prints, and I love to see it. The little rhinos and the lion. Oh, it has turtles too. Oh my God, this is so cute. The theme of what my baby shower is going to be is neutral, because we're actually finding out the sex of the baby at the baby shower. So we're not having a separate party for it. So since we don't know what the baby is going to be, we just want to make it neutral. So I really like the animal prints, like the safari looks, or like the greens and the whites, and so I'm really excited about what I've received so far. The next thing, and I'm just grabbing the bigger things at first. The next thing is this 4-ounce natural bottle from Philips, and I believe I have a couple of these on my registry. It comes with this little pen flip. Something pretty cool that I'm seeing here is that it can be attached to this breast pump. I'm not sure if you have to buy them separate, if you get it with the breast pump. So I'm excited to read more about this. And then this is the bottle that it comes with. So this is 125 milliliters. It's pretty cool. It's like really nice packaging. Like, it's very sturdy. I think they look like nipples. This nipple looks like a human nipple. What do you think? I don't know what to look for. Like, I've seen these videos and the moms are like, my baby didn't take to this one, and I'm like, that's an option? I thought that you just bought the bottle and, you know, put the milk in it and you fed it to your child and they ate. I didn't realize that some kids latched on to certain types of bottles and not others. So hopefully I'll be able to use this one because it's super cute, and I think that you can take this anywhere. The next thing in here is a pacifier from NOOBIE. My first pacifier, and that's so true because that is my first pacifier. I don't have another one so far, and the pacifier babies love from day one. This is so precious. I'm not gonna open this one just because I don't need to. You can see it pretty well in here. It's super tiny, so I'm sure it's going to be great for a newborn or like for a little baby. Oh, and it actually comes with a coupon on the back, so that's pretty cool. So 25% off products. Use code at Amazon, so that's pretty awesome. I'm glad I read that because I probably could have lost this coupon. So thanks, NOOBIE. The next thing that I got is a wash and shampoo, lightly scented. Oh, it's closed. That's good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, wow. Pediatrician recommended, so this is the bottle. So this is a wash and shampoo, natural oat extract. I really like washes and shampoos and things like that, or face washes that have oats in them, because those are really good for my skin. So I would think that the baby's skin would be similar to mine. So I'm very excited to try this on the baby. Next, we have water wipes. I'm not really sure what the difference between these and like other brand wipes would be, but they feel very soft inside of here, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try it. I've tried Huggies wipes, I've tried Pampers and like adult wipes, but I've never tried these water wipes, so let's see what's going to happen with the baby, if they take to it, or if not, then thank you, Amazon, I guess, for trying. The next is this Baby Balm coconut balm. It doesn't seem to smell like anything. I would think it would have like a coconut smell or something if it's a coconut balm. I want to say it's a butt paste, but I'm not really sure because it doesn't say that on there. Oh, it has like a faint, coconut. Like if you've ever, this is very odd, but if you've ever smelled the husk of a coconut, that's what it smells like. I grew up with coconut trees in my backyard, so I've smelled some coconuts in my days, you know? The next thing in here is Dreft. What is this? It is laundry detergent. Oh, this is pretty cool. You get some free laundry detergent. It's hypoallergenic. I don't know that I've ever seen this brand before, and I've gotten like hypoallergenic laundry detergent before. I just never seen this one, even with friends with kids and things like that. So I'll definitely ask around to know if this is a good way to go. But we won't have any clothes on the registry, but the clothes that I do buy, I know that I need to wash prior to the baby wearing them. So I'll definitely try this out and see how the baby reacts to it. Hopefully it'll be good. I know that newborns have very sensitive skin, so I want to make sure that I choose the best for the baby. The next thing is this healing ointment from Aquaphor. Even me as an adult, I love Aquaphor. I think that it is heaven sent for my hands, especially when I was working in the kitchen a lot. I used to wash my hands, especially through COVID. Oh my Lord. I used to wash my hands, I want to say like 20 to 30 times a day. The water would dry out my hands, and Aquaphor really saved my hands because they would crack to the point of bleeding. It was disgusting. It was disturbing, but once I started using Aquaphor on my hands, it really helped. So I'm very excited. Hopefully my baby won't need it, but just in case baby has any dry skin or any diaper rashes, I'll definitely be looking out for this Aquaphor, which is actually on my registry. So I'm very excited. And then the last sample that I have in here is Walletta. I believe that's how you say it. Walletta shampoo and body wash. So I guess this is for like for one wash. It doesn't have much in it, so I would say that it is for one wash. It doesn't say if it has any certain smells to it or anything, but it does have some almond oil and water. I can't really pronounce the rest of the ingredients in here, so we're gonna have to Google you, Walletta, because I'm not sure if I want to put this on my baby. As you guys know, I have very sensitive skin. I have scalp psoriasis and I've had tinea versicolor, so my skin tends to react harshly to harsh products, so I want to make sure that the baby does not go through that, because even as an adult I did not have a great time with that. So I want to make sure that there's certain products that stay away from the baby, at least for the first couple of years, until they can express how they feel with that product on. So I'm not really sure about that last thing. Oh wait, it wasn't the last sample. I also have this diaper rash cream from Balm, and it comes with this little guy. Ooh, you can save 20% on these items, which is pretty cool. So diaper rash or diaper bag on the go. So like these two. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing on here is, this is a coupon. I'm not really sure of what, because it just says to use the code and unlock special savings on Amazon. So I guess I'll go and use the code. And lastly is this little note from Amazon, and right back here it shows you how to purchase everything that I got as a sample. Overall, I'm not disappointed with this Amazon free baby registry bag. I think that it is definitely a good way to start, especially as a first-time mom. That way I can try things sample size, and I don't have to return things in bulk. I don't put them on my registry and find out those aren't things that the baby or I need or want. So I'm really excited and really thankful for this Amazon gift bag, and it was very easy for me to get it. There are 3 steps to getting this free Amazon bag. The first item that you have to do in order to get this bag is be a Prime member. So if you're not a Prime member currently, you have the option of signing up for the free monthly or the free first month trial. Just you have to remember to cancel your subscription. We often don't remember. But in case you're not a Prime member, you do have to be a Prime member. The second thing is that you have to have 60% of your registry completed. And if there are items that you already have that you didn't necessarily get from Amazon, again, you don't have to purchase these things. They just need to be checked off from your Amazon checklist. Once that's done, the third thing that you have to do is purchase $10 off of your Amazon registry. And for that, what I did was, because we actually don't have a thermometer at home, I put a thermometer on my checklist or on my registry, and I just bought it from there myself, and I believe it was $10 or $11. And once that's done, you have all 3 check marks. It'll guide you to your checkout once you go and select the baby registry box, and from there it'll actually show you. I kind of got worried because it showed me that I owed $35, but it's actually $35 worth for the box. And then once you get to the checkout, once you get to the payment, it'll show that the $35 gift card has been applied towards your registry free box. So it actually ends up being free, and it ships to you in about a week or 2. It actually takes a little bit longer than your regular items that you get from Amazon, but I didn't really worry about it. I knew it was coming, so I was very excited. Overall, I'm really happy with this gift box. It was my first ever as a first-time mom, and this was very exciting for me to go through. And I've watched other women go through it, and I was just so excited to open my own, and I'm very thankful that you guys stuck with me throughout this whole video. Make sure to like it and comment below if there are certain items that you did not get in your bag or that you got and I didn't get, because I'm seeing different versions of these bags, and I'm very intrigued to how come some of us are getting certain things and some others aren't. But anyways, if you like this video, please make sure to share it with any expectant moms, or if you know anyone who is building a registry at the moment. This is definitely something, especially for new moms, to try out and get. and I definitely encourage everyone to try and get it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.